Hey, what's up, Theta Network? So this is urgent news for all Theta Network holder, my brother. Theta Network is completely in the lost. Remember, my brother, to especially from last month, my friend, especially Theta Network is completely fails down. But after a very long time fails, my friend, you can see that they take a jump. You can see here all crypto market is fails down, but definitely you can see this time the Theta Network, one of the unique coin, today moving for like a rocket. So it's a good news for all Theta Network. Today completely go and the moon. Congratulations again now, my brother. You can see here this time the last 24-hour chart is absolutely in the positive. So it's congratulations for all Theta Network hold, my friends. You can see here they completely go and this style, but definitely, my friends, you can see here they completely go and the moon now. So what's the main reason, my friend? And in upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not. Definitely, my friend, there is a more chances, my friends, because one chance is that, my friends, to in the end of month every graph frequency is moving up like a rocket. So definitely this is a very good chance, and especially if short time investor hold, then exactly, my friends, they go in the moon now. So Theta Network, please subscribe this channel. Let's predicate this coin, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, in upcoming times they're moving upward very fastly, and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you need to hold and wait for the end of month, my friends, because they give you just and only, my friend, in 1 week good profit. So this is absolutely very good chance, my friends, to you take a good profit. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and also press the bell icon, my brother, for latest videos and updates, my friends. Thank you so much for everyone who like and subscribe our YouTube channel.